What if moving to the UAE was not a gamble, but a system? Let me ask you something honest. You've been watching Dubai videos. You've seen the skyline, the lifestyle, the opportunity. You've probably even Googled how to invest in UAE real estate. And then, nothing happened. Why? Because between the dream and the decision, there's a gap, a massive, confusing, expensive gap. Nobody tells you how to actually get there. Nobody hands you a system. Until now, this is Vestralink. I want to tell you about a type of investor we meet all the time. They're smart. They have capital. They have a plan, or at least the outline of one. They want UAE residency, a property, maybe a business, maybe a career shift. They want their family settled somewhere with world-class schools, safe streets, and real opportunity. But every time they try to take step one, they hit a wall. Which agent do I trust? Which area? What visa? What about my spouse's career, my parents, my kids' school? The problem was never the dream. The problem was the absence of a roadmap. Spurbz built Vestralink to solve exactly that problem. Vestralink is not a real estate agency. It's not a visa consultant. It's not a business setup firm. It is all of those things, built into a single, seamless, 360-degree transition system. The mission is clear: to empower global investors with a seamless transition into the UAE by bridging the gap between high-yield real estate acquisition and total lifestyle integration. We don't just secure assets, we secure futures. Here's what makes Vestralink unlike anything else you've seen. It operates as a holistic ecosystem with 4 core pillars. Pillar 1. Real estate. Vestralink provides a curated selection of ready-to-move properties and distress asset opportunities. Not random listings, strategically selected assets that match your capital tier and your life goals. Pillar 2. Job assistance. This is career pivoting for the modern professional. Vestralink handles resume and LinkedIn optimization specifically for the UAE and GCC market, and goes further with direct interview facilitation with relevant industry heads. You don't just get advice, you get access. Pillar 3. Business setup. Whether you're launching from scratch or expanding an existing brand, Vestralink delivers full-scale corporate structuring. This includes identifying the right niche and industry for you in the UAE, then executing across 3 levels: standard, licensing, and legal registration. Infrastructure, sourcing physical office space or warehousing. Consulting, continuous operational support and compliance. Pillar 4. Family migration. This is the most personal part, and Vestralink takes it the most seriously. Your spouse gets career support and networking within the UAE professional community. Your children get consultation on British, IB, and American school systems with enrollment assistance. And your parents? Long-term residency visas and specialized healthcare navigation. Seamless transition for the entire household. That's not a tagline. That's a commitment. If you've been watching this thinking, "This is what I've been missing," you're right. Most people spend years trying to figure this out alone. Vestralink gives you the system, the team, the properties, and the plan in one connected ecosystem. The link to your UAE future is right here. Book your free consultation with Vestralink. Link in description. DM Spurbz now. Drop a comment below. Are you looking at real estate, a career move, a business, or bringing the family? Let's start the conversation.